Hello everybody. In a previous video I showed you how you can install correlationplus from source, and in this video I will show you how you can use it, how you can use the calculate module. I am in a folder that I create as an example. In my example folder I have a protein in PDB format. It's called, let's say, LS, and it's called 6FL9. Since it's a membrane protein, I aligned it to Z direction, but this is definitely not necessary for these calculations. But it is just something that I do for myself. Okay, now let's check first if we have correlationplus. And let's do help. I don't have anything right now except my PDB file. So we will, yes, correlationplus installed, and I will do the same for calculate. I will call a help module. You will see a bunch of options, but the most important option, of course, is PDB file. So I will use -p and then write my PDB name, and here you don't have to add anything. If you just click on the button, return button, enter button, it will do normalized dynamical cross correlations. But I want to calculate linear mutual information also. Let's see, let's just do that at first. It is that much simple. You don't have to even write an output name. So it's selecting the file, it's using ANM method to calculate it, and here it is. Let's see, LA. Yeah, you can see that it creates an NDCC file. This is a correlation matrix. It's using 100 modes in ANM model. Of course, you can modify this. Now, I want to calculate linear mutual information of fluctuations. So I will do the type LMI, type of the correlation matrix that I want, and let's see what does it do. Again, it will use about 100 mods. You can modify these values, or all of these values, in fact. Okay, now it's calculating linear mutual information matrix, and it calculated for the 100th mod. And let's see, what do we have? It will take a little bit of time, but not too much. This is in fact not a small protein. It has 1500 residues, about 1500 residues, but still the calculation part takes a few minutes. That's definitely more than a few minutes. Okay, and I will do ls lrt. As you can see, I have two files here: normalized dynamical cross correlations and normalized linear mutual information files. In the next video, I will try to show you how you can visualize these matrices. Basically, let me show you what is this matrix. Basically, yeah, it's a full matrix format. It's not efficient in terms of data storage, but it is the simplest data format that you can find. All of the, it has number of columns. Let's see, word count, number of lines, yeah, 1550. And let's do here, let's get the first line, head and one, word count words. Yes, it's a 1550 times 1550 matrix basically, and the same for an LMI also. That's it. Have a great day.